my Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you for your continuing support. This is going to be an unboxing. I have not done one for a little bit, and wanted to show off some new things that I got. Share with you guys some of the new things that I got. I hope that everybody is having a great evening, daytime, nighttime, whenever you're watching this video. So we're just going to jump right into it. This will be probably really short. I got these 3 items from a D-stash, so I'm ecstatic about that. So we're just going to get started. Just get started. I have been like really kind of going a little cray-cray with the D-stash. So, but these are all special projects off the canvas, and so I am really wanting to get a lot of those because I'm doing so many canvases and they're so big. So I'm glad to be doing something, to be able to do something that I can hopefully just do in a short period of time. Okay, so this is from, this person got this from a company called Easy Whim. I have seen this on Amazon, and actually, this was the reason that I got this. And she was selling them all together because I've had this in my cart on Amazon for probably before Christmas. And this is actually bigger than I thought it was. So it's a coin bag. A coin bag, yeah. And it's weird. It opens on the side, but that's okay. And it's got like a little clip there that you can put it on clip it to your purse or to your backpack or whatever. And so here is the sticker, and I would think that you'd probably put it on the back. I think that's what I'm going to do. So it has like a little doggy bone. This is cute. Looks like there is just 3 colors. Good stick. Good stick. All right. Oh, wow. This is a different, I mean the pen is. So your regular boat with a piece of wax. So look at this pen. How cute. It's got kitties on it. How cute. How cute, how cute. So yeah, so 3 colors. That is really neat. Neat, neat, neat. I am going to do this. I will do this. All right. So that is our first one. And here is the second one. All right. Let me see if I can get into this thing. So I have, these 3 are from the D-stash, and then I have a canvas from Temu, or Tima, or however you guys, however it is supposed to be said, that I am like absolutely obsessed with. Absolutely obsessed with it. Okay. Alrighty, so this is called a cartoon LED diamond painting. It's a lamp. seen, I think Diamond Painting with Joan, I think she's done this, and maybe Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea has done it as well. All right, look at that. That is cool. It's a peacock. Okay, let me see if I can struggle to get this out. If not, let me see if I can at least get this paper to lift. Okay. Oh. There. Okay. Really good stick. So it's just one little piece. And then it goes in here. This is a... The battery goes back here. Okay. Pen, boat, one piece of wax, and some baggies. I'm gonna put those in here. My Diamond Art card bags. It's funny that they put baggies inside a bag. Or put baggies inside a bag. All right. So we have, I think it's 8 colors. Silver. Yes, round. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 colors. I'm sorry. Now these are little, kind of, I guess you could say these are just really small marquees in green. And then red, and then these are crystals, orange or yellow, and this green, red, and this, like, I would say, yeah, maybe yellow is because like this one looks more orange. And there's a little bigger size, and more marquees, but they have like a cut different on the top, and then there's more ribbons. Okay. So here is the peacock. Okay. I like it. I want to work these up, but I feel like because I'm trying to do these events, I feel like every free moment that I have, I need to be doing, working on that. So I have a trip with some friends planned in April, and I'm going to be going out of town. And we're driving, and it's about a 4-hour drive. So what I plan on doing is I plan on kitting up all of these specials and doing that, and doing them as we drive to on our trip. So that's my plan. And then I will promise I will have a completion video. All right. And then here is another one. Now, I have seen several people do something similar to this. Oh, early. All right. There's our drills. Oh, it's got a little tassel Now this you hang up outside. Or you can hang it up wherever you want. Yeah, I was gonna. Yeah. Okay. And so here's the picture. I don't have it upside down. Away. That wouldn't surprise me. And then here's the tassel. Here is the tassel. Once it is connected. And this is just called Diamond Painting Crystal Art Round Frame Painting. Okay. Okay. Decent stick. Decent stick. And this is kind of a little soft canvas. And then we have a pen and some really raggedy wax that I'm throwing away. And a boat. My boats I keep. My boats I keep. All right. I'm gonna put all of this will go into my diamond art. One of these days, I actually use my green boats, especially since I have been having a lot of canvases that have so much confetti, and so I use them. Okay, so we're gonna cut around that and then put it in here. And then lay it like that. Okay, all right. I'm really looking forward to that. Working on that too. All right, let's look at the drills. Let's look at the drills. Really, let's look at the drills. Yeah, okay. Really, we're going to look at these drills. All right, so it looks like there is 15, I think there's 15 different colors and shapes. Oh, it's pretty. So here it is. I'm just naming everything marquee. So here's a really kind of a dark blue marquise and a yellow and pink, almost maybe fuchsia. And then some more. And these are round. And then crystals. And a little, these look like a little smaller, but probably the same size. It was pretty kind of lime green. And green. And a blue. Like yellow. It was pretty pink again, and our silver. No, it's 16 colors. 16 colors. Okay. All right, so that is my D-stash that I got. I have been very, very pleased with everything that I've ordered off of D-stash. I have gotten it back. Probably, I think this maybe took like maybe 3 days, 4 days, something like that. So I have been very, very pleased. All right, so this is my canvas that I got from a Temu. And I got this because Sam from Blunts and Gems is having basically a mental health event in September, if I'm not mistaken. And I got this to participate in that. You know what? It is not a diamond art. It is just a canvas. But I like it. Someone did a video of this very thing. Did not pay attention. And this is just a regular canvas. But you know what? I am going to hang it up because it's very neat. That is okay. It says, be kind to your mind. I like it. I like it, and I will hang it up. I did not pay attention, and it did not say diamond. I thought it said diamond painting, but it did not, so it's just a regular canvas. But like I said, that is quite all right. So now I gotta find another canvas. I have to find a canvas for her event. So this won't be it. That's okay. All right, guys. Well, that is it. This is pretty good size, though. And the material is really soft. I like it. I like my boo-boo that I made, so it's okay. All right. All right, guys. Well, that's all I've got. If you like this video, if you could please hit that like button on the way out. I would appreciate it. If you would consider being a part of my Struggle Bus family, if you could hit that subscription button and hit that bell to be notified every time that I put out a video, I would appreciate that as well. One of the things that I did not mention is that on another video that I did is that this month event was #ShowMeYourFlag23, and that is hosted by Diamond Grandma, and her co-host is Crafting with V. I will list their names down in the descriptions. And also next month event is going to be #JungleFever23, and that is going to be with Diamond Grandma, and I am going to be her co-host, let alone me. So I would really appreciate if you guys can participate in that. I am excited about it because March is my birthday month, and so when she didn't even know that when she asked if I would do March, and I was just like, yes, I'll do March. That would be so cool. So anyway, I will list their names, Diamond Grandmas and Crafting with V. You have to be subscribed to both the host and to the co-host for those events. So that's pretty much her only rule. But anyway, I hope everybody have a great weekend. Stay warm, or however your weather is. It's supposed to be fairly kind of cool tomorrow, and then Sunday is supposed to be in the 70s, so who knows? Who knows? So anyway, remember to be kind to one another, keep cool, and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.